Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've got your document open and a saved copy, good. Now go straight to the Layout tab at the top of Word. This is where page direction lives. Once there, locate Orientation and Breaks. If you only want some pages changed, insert a next page section break before and after the pages to isolate them. This step prevents unintended layout changes elsewhere. Make sure to place the cursor in the section you will change before proceeding to the next slide. With the cursor in the correct section, open Orientation and pick Portrait or Landscape. That simple action flips page direction for the active section. But don't stop there. Open the Page Setup dialog from the corner of the Page Setup group to confirm margins and paper size. These affect content flow. In Page Setup, use Apply to this section, then OK. This ensures only that segment changes. Once done, skim the following and preceding page. Finish by switching to Print Layout and scrolling through the document to check pagination, margins, and visuals. If headers or footers move unexpectedly, remove Link to Previous on the Header and Footer tab and edit the section's header/footer separately. If the orientation didn't apply, look for extra section breaks, delete or relocate them. As a last resort, revert to your saved copy and repeat the section break plus page setup steps more carefully to avoid cascading layout changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.